Hey guys, just wanted to let you know what it looks like, a real good West African rain. It's intense, it's awesome, and we needed it. God provided, the Lord is good. My crazy friend. It's hard to tell. Family shepherd boy right there, just getting back from work, and it's been raining for about an hour. Literally, the roads turn into rivers, the crops get fed, and the people get fed. And lately, we've all been thanking Jesus. They thank Jesus like crazy. Look, there's Rich doing the same thing. It hasn't rained this hard yet, since we've been here. We've had some serious lightning. We're all hiding. I really wish you could see how intense it is. Anyways, guys, thanks for the prayers. God delivered like always, faithful 100% of the time. Love ya.